Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable on-screen keyboard on your Windows 10. There is two methods I'm gonna explain to you. The first one is go to Start menu and then go to Settings and then go to Ease of Access, click on it and then scroll down to find Keyboard and then check this one, Enable Use the device without a physical keyboard. Just turn on Use on-screen keyboard and it's gonna show the on-screen keyboard. You can use it to write. For example, I'm gonna click here in the search and I'm gonna write anything and I can use it to write, as you can see. By the way, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more tutorials just like this. And the second method is go to Start menu again and then go to Installed Apps and scroll down till you find a folder named Ease of Access. This is the folder Windows Ease of Access. Just click on this arrow, as you can see, to expand it and you will find on-screen keyboard. If you click on it, it's gonna run as well simply and you can use it anytime. And this is how you're gonna use it. And if you want to close this one, just click on this close icon and it's closed. And thank you for watching. See you next time.